Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the trick to find the modulus and argument of a complex number. Let me tell you, after this video you will be able to solve the sum based on modulus and argument of a complex number in just 5 seconds. So let's jump directly to the sum and there only we will see the trick. So the first sum we have from ME10, the modulus of the complex number is. So in the first sum we have to find the modulus of the complex number given here and we are given with this option. So first take a look how I solve this sum and then I will show you the trick. So the answer is root 5, which is C. Want to know this trick? So first let's see the traditional way. So we have to find the modulation of this number 3 plus 4i 1 minus 2i, and the traditional way says you have to make this term into a plus bi form. So for that what you do, you use the rationalization method, and for that you multiply 1 plus 2i, basically conjugate of this denominator with numerator and denominator. So you will get 3 plus 6i plus 4i, 4 to the 8, it will be minus 8 because I square is minus 1, and at the denominator you will get 1 square plus 4. Basically you have in the denominator a minus b and a plus b, and we know a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Here we have I square, that's why that minus is converted into plus. So we will be having 3 minus 8 as minus 5 plus 10i upon 5. So basically minus 1 plus 2i, and if you find the modulus of this number you will get 1 plus 4, basically root 5. So you can see how lengthy it is to solve this sum by the traditional way, but with the trick you can solve this in just 5 seconds. So let's see the trick here. So the trick is you have to use the property of modulus. We have to find the modulus of 3 plus 4i upon 1 minus 2i, right? So we can separate this modulus as 3 plus 4i upon 1 minus 2i. Now instead of finding the complete modulus, we will find this part modulus. So we will get numerator modulus as 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. So basically root 25, and for this we will get root 5. We know root 25 can be separated as root 5 into root 5 upon root 5. So this root 5 got cancelled and you have your answer root 5. So you can see how easily you can solve this sum by the trick. Okay, let's see the similar type of sum. Let's say you have to find the modulus of 3 plus 2i upon 1 plus 8i. So what you will do, you will take modulus of numerator and denominator separately. So you will get 9 plus 16, and here you will get 64 plus 1, basically root 65. So you will if you resolve, you will get root 25 upon root 65. Solve it and get your answer. Okay, till now we have seen the trick for the modulus. Now we will see the trick for the argument. So let's see the sum here. So we have to find the argument of the complex number 1 plus I upon 1 minus I is, and we have this option. This sum is of ME 2040. Okay, so for that again you have to find the argument of this 1 plus I upon 1 minus I, right? Argument in the sense you have to find the angle of this complex number, and for angle the traditional way is you have to get this term into a plus bi form, and for that again you will do rationalization and you will get your result into a plus bi, and then you will use the formula of tan inverse of imaginary part upon real part. So basically b by a. But with the trick we are not going to do this lengthy procedure, we are going to use the trick. So the trick is you can separate your 1 plus I upon 1 minus I as angle of 1 plus I upon angle of 1 minus I. So basically you have separated this complete angle into two separate angle. Now you have to find this two angle. So again what you will do, you will just use this formula tan inverse of imaginary upon real part. So you will get 1 upon 1 here upon tan inverse of minus 1 upon 1. So you will get here 45 degree at numerator, at denominator you will get minus 45 degree. So if you take this denominator angle into numerator you will get 45 degree plus 45 degree, basically 90 degree, and from the option you can see the correct answer will be pi by 2. Okay, so you can see by the trick you can solve this type of sum very easily, but for that you should know some properties of this formula. Okay, so you should know if you have a plus bi form, so you can use directly tan inverse of b by a, but if you have a minus bi, then also you can apply, that is tan inverse of minus b upon a. But if your real part is negative, basically if minus a plus bi you have, then you have to take 180 degree minus tan inverse of b by a. Okay, and for minus a minus bi, basically both your imaginary as well as real part both are negative, then you have to use 180 degree plus tan inverse of b by a. Okay, if you want me to prepare a video on this basic tricks, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's see the next sum. Okay, here we are. This sum is of ME15 and the question is Z1 equals to 5 plus 5 root 3i, Z2 equals to 2 by root 3 plus 2i, and we have to find the argument of Z1 by Z2 and to be in degree. So for that we will use the trick again. Z1 by Z2, basically 5 plus 5 root 3i upon 2 by root 3 plus 2i. We will separate the angle into numerator and denominator, so we will have tan inverse of 5 root 3 upon 5 upon tan inverse of 2 upon 2 by root 3. So basically we have a root 3 here, so 60 degree upon this 2 got cancelled, and we have a root 3 in numerator, so basically tan inverse of root 3, which is 60 degree again. So if we take the 60 degree in numerator, we will get 60 degree minus 60 degree, so basically a 0 degree. So the correct answer will be option A. So you can see, if you know this trick, you can solve this type of question in just 5 seconds. Okay, in GATE direct question has been asked from this topic, but you can make use of this trick to solve some complex sums also. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.
हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो तो डू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू.